Now I starting the first videos. So the question is premium. So you must be by this question. Let's see how many company ask this question. Okay, it's very frequent question here. You can see. And now the design hint counter, which count the number of hit received in the past 5 minutes is 300 seconds, right? So your system should accept a timestamp parameters in second going near radius, and you may assume that calls are being made to system in order. So server load hint may arrive roughly at the same time. The implementing hint counter class encounter initial the object of the hint counter system. So here you can see we have three functions. It's conductor, but we need to initialize the object of hint counter system. Now here's second function. So record hint and happen and the timestamp in second. The server hint may happen and the timestamp. The timestamp is 300 seconds, right? So the hint, integer is return type, and then here is function name. So we pass the timestamp, return number of hint in the past 5 minutes, which means it's the 300 seconds from the timestamp. Okay, now you can hear when we hit okay hit and the timestamp 1, timestamp 2, timestamp 3, they get him, so we need to return it 3, right? So when we get him this one, we need to check the timestamp because the current timestamp is 4, because we know if this hit happen at the within 300, okay, we need return all the hint we made uh, in the 300. So 1, 2, 3 still in the 300 seconds, right? And then now we hint is at the timestamp 300. Okay, now we add it this one to the current time is 300, right? Already 5 minutes passed. Now we add this one. Now here we hint it. We get hint 300. So get a hint and the timestamp will return 4 because 1, 2, 3, 300 is still happening at the 300 in the 300, including 300, right? Now we get hint. Now the current time is the 301. So we just return 3. Why we return 3 here? Because 1 is removed from the timestamp because 2, 3 and the 301 happen at the 300, right, seconds. So only need 3 can return. So let's try here return 3. And then 1, because the first one is happening at the first second, right? So now current time is the 301. So in the question is really straightforward, so you could understand. Now here how to solve this problem. My solution is using a queue because we know queue can maintain insertion order first in first out, right? It can now we insert this one to the queue. We just add a timestamp in the queue and 2, 3. Each time now here we add it. If we hit, we call this hint method, we just add a timestamp. And then if we get a hit get a call a get hint method, so we will get the passing the timestamp. Now we need to do one thing. Passing timestamp minus 300, 300. We will get a result. Now when we get a result, we just check the current the first timestamp in the queue because we know it's first insertion order. So one will be inserted to the queue first, right? So we just check if the current timestamp minus 300, we get a we get a time. Now we check if the first number a first number is greater than the time, we know, okay, we need to pop out from the a queue. Is not so if it's not solution. Now I will show you my coding. Now first I create the queue and then initialize here in the conductor, and then we use the queue and the timestamp, and then first because here we need to check how many hit happen and the timestamp. So we know the hit should be occur at 300 seconds, right? In a 300 seconds. So now make sure the first condition we need to make sure the queue is not empty. If empty mean we don't have any timestamp in the queue, right? So we cannot just pop out. We cannot do anything. Now here we will pass the timestamp, right? Pass timestamp minus 300. If this one is greater than the queue, the first here we will get the first we get the timestamp. If it's greater equal to q, okay, we need to pop out the first number from the queue, and then until the only hit happen at 300 seconds, and then here we just return the queue. So here we can know how many hits happen in the 300 seconds. Now let's submit it. So you can see is part of the test case. The time complexity for here, because I just ate it, so it just B of 1, and then we here do one when we call this method, we need to pop out, right? So the worst case is B of n, because it may happen we remove all the elements in the queue, so they will take n time, right? We all the element in the queue, so we need to pop out all the elements. So in the worst case, B of n, then here just return the size. So here just the time capacity is B of n, B of 1. Sorry. Yeah. Now thank you for watching this video.